Cardinals. This video is to show you how to format a poem. So I have a poem that I wrote, I don't know, a while ago, and I'm going to format it as if it is being submitted for my class. So the title needs to be in all caps and bold. And the title needs to be centered. So I'm just going to highlight the title and then I'm going to click center. Then I want the rest of the poem to be justified to the left, which means like it's a straight line right here. But I also want it to be centered under the title. So I'm going to highlight the body of the poem. I'm going to take this little blue guy right here and I'm going to scoot and I'm going to move it until it looks like the longest line is about lined up at the middle. So it looks like To Wander Through the Woods, and because all I can be right now are about the longest line, so I'm going to use that as my guideline. And you're just kind of eyeballing this. So that looks about balanced, maybe a smidge over. Yeah, that looks better. And then make sure that it is all in times 12, which it should be. And then I'm going to add another line. I'm going to put 2 dashes, 1, 2, my name, which obviously this would be your name. And then make this 10 point, scoot it over. So I want the O in my last name to line up with the end of now, roughly. So you're going to eyeball that again. So that's about right. So your name is 10 point. If you want, you can highlight and make it single spaced because I think Google's automatic spacing is 1.15, but I'm okay with either way. And then your poem is correctly formatted. Good luck!